Ministry of Education, we have a lot of work to do in organizing the universities and making them credible by putting proper infrastructure and getting qualified staff. We will make sure of the standards and the resources to be made available to, so that our qualifications are credible, not only in Nigeria but all over the world. We have to have a high-powered inquiry using the Constitution and see how much the universities should be allowed in terms of management of resources and the personnel.
Our view, Your Excellency, is that while it is clear that ASU has peculiarities, that those peculiarities should be clearly recognized and special provisions made for them, rather than having those special peculiarities put and carried on the payroll. Bringing the universities on the payroll will not erode their independence or autonomy. It will only help government to manage the very scarce resources that we're having to deal with at this time.
You might not be aware that the total combination of personnel costs and overheads accounts for over 70% of our national budget. We have a lot to do to ensure that a cost-saving measure is put in place so that we can release these funds to deploy them to education, to infrastructure, to provision of power, and all other things that will make life more meaningful for our people.
I want to thank you people that after our February meeting, there was nothing like industrial unrest. You understood that we were passing through dire straits. So in the same spirit, we can marry youths with IPs, because they're all saying the same thing.
Emergency in education, sir, it is high time this government declared it.
Nigerian universities can make meaningful contributions to addressing the challenges of the country, e.g., economy, security, and corruption, if given the opportunities.